Welcome back to Howcar USA, the channel where we bring you the most stunning and rare vehicles from around the world. Today, we are featuring something truly special, a futuristic take on a classic legend, the 1970 Ford F-100 pickup truck. This model has been reimagined with modern touches while keeping the soul of its vintage heritage intact. From the very first glance, the dark cream exterior commands attention. The sleek, smooth paint finish looks both elegant and timeless, enhanced by the muscular curves and bold front-end styling. The aggressive yet refined front bumper is complemented by glowing red accent lights, giving this pickup a distinctive, high-performance vibe. Wide, chunky tires hug the road, giving the F-100 a planted, confident stance that just screams capability. Moving to the side, the lines of the truck are perfectly balanced between retro and modern. The body retains that classic 1970 Ford F-100 silhouette but with sharpened edges and updated contours. Every detail is carefully designed to give the impression of strength, durability, and sophistication. Step inside, and the craftsmanship continues to impress. The cabin greets you with a premium gray dashboard that feels both stylish and functional. The controls are laid out with precision, blending vintage simplicity with modern convenience. Premium leather seats wrap around you in comfort, and every surface feels thoughtfully designed to enhance the driving experience. Under the hood, this reimagined Ford F-100 packs power to match its looks. The engine delivers robust performance, ensuring that this truck isn't just for show, it's built to perform whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tougher terrains. The suspension has been tuned for both comfort and handling, making every drive smooth yet engaging. This truck also embraces technology without losing its vintage charm. Modern lighting, advanced safety features, and an upgraded infotainment system give you the best of both worlds, the nostalgic appeal of the 1970s paired with the conveniences of today. The Ford F-100 is more than just a pickup, it's a piece of automotive art. It speaks to the past, present, and future of truck design, reminding us why Ford has always been a leader in performance and style. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a truck lover, or just someone who appreciates beautiful engineering, this model will leave you impressed. So, if you want to see more stunning builds and rare finds like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Howcar USA, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This has been the futuristic 1970 Ford F-100 in dark cream with a premium gray dashboard, a perfect blend of elegance, power, and timeless design.